Beliani to quick one yoma made jaga. Asama one yoma. One yoma made jaga. One of my last, she went ready a cacapala. Yalu Lego, one yoma. Yapala my jacket, one yoma. My dear, Yapala Lego, one yoma. Oh, my give me bottom belly, go to my hat, yeah. Oh, my give me bottom belly, go to my hat, yeah. What to? If you wanna, oh my give me bottom belly, go to my hat here. Oh my give me bottom belly, go to my hat here. Oh my give me bottom belly, go to my hat. Once away, as if you wait, once away, once away, as if you wait, once away, something of Korea.
How when you hear you wanna la?
Die you. Ọba jíjílé dé fọlẹ́ bọ́ máa kéjìlé jáde nìkẹ́ láyé ní jáde lọ́fẹ́ máa kéde máa dé lọ́nkọ́. Ọba ṣùgbọ́n. Wọ́n yọ wí jẹ́ ooo, wọ́n yọ wí jẹ́ dá.
Na so it dey be, my people. How una dey? Kimega, how it dey be for your side? This night, wetin we carry come na so we see am. Na so we see am. Na we carry come for the month this night. Na so we see am. Na be the matter wey dey on ground now. Na so we see am. Na program wey we go dey bring for you. Wey we go dey look inside on the tori wey dey on top ground now. Wey we dey chook mouth. Wey we dey know as things take be. Wadala. Oh my! In fact, Okrobo.
You're a biggie star. Give money. How I wonder what you are.
Yeah, my brother, as the program is tonight, we're going to be mixing it English, Igbo, and Pidgin. Oh, bullshit, and you're Igbo man. We don't go kill ourselves, though. We cannot kill ourselves by ourselves. Hey!
Huntsman.
Now, so it be enyendebe. That is to say, give these people. Everybody go there happy because everybody don't get their share. Everybody don't get their entitlement. But if you give one side, you know, give the other side, people go they cry now. People no go happy. That's why they say So this night you get some matter we will carry for hand. Then kunde anyi jibia anya so na pertinent issues that we ought to look into.
You're a big star. How I wonder what you are. My man.
My man. But before I proceed, I would like to give honor to whom honor is due. Give respect to whom respect is due. That is what we believe in the law court. Yes. So let me gladly welcome you to the show. OC Osai Ndewo. Happy New Year to you. Neka Susan. Yeah, from Bayelsa. Neka Susan. I'll give one your Christmas. Second, 1st of January. Are you the one I see? I saw. Hey, Neka, you're highly welcome. Prophetess Patricia, you are highly welcome as well. Momila Fadele, you are highly welcome. Most CG, you are highly welcome. Iji Lanyebu, Ndewo, Augustine Buzurike, you are highly welcome. You are highly welcome. Vitu Sehido Moyama na Paris, Mba France. Nze na Abuja onye nze ya rekwala gị ma henchman mụraka onye ebe ndewo. I greet you Chris ha ọnụ ha blessings lesson Chibuzo Nnamdi mgbe aṅụrị Clara Chiaka OGP Ndụka yarela Yes, as I told you tonight, we're going to be looking into some pertinent issues ranging from marriage, social life, and other things, be that as it may, and what have you. And so, this night, the first topic we'll be treating is this one. Anyway, let's just take some.
Happy birthday. Woman, give me bottom belly, go to my heart here. Woman, give me bottom belly.
Yeah, James, I know Aloma, now so we see him for this night. Now so we see him. We don't bring him, come your domot. Now so we see him is here with you right away. Ghana, so we see him no good. But like all bani shijeje, huya anya sona. So enwere hemega ubulaka na obu okwono. Ana akaloka ya. Naka Okaya. There is a man who is married. This man is married. All along one there, and they have 2 kids. Otunwoke, no Tunwani. One boy, a boy and a girl. So the man traveled abroad, and he has stayed overseas for 15 good years. 15 good years gone on abroad. Now the man is back to Nigeria, meeting his wife and his 2 kids, and the man is happy. But the issue now is this: the man is asking the wife to come and swear that she hasn't slept with any man since he left them for abroad for the past 15 years. So this is the issue on ground now. And the lady is insisting that okay, one is so the lady is insisting that she will not swear. That's a sign of disrespect to her person. So ya shi ya duo ishi enwebe nwoke ya ahụ ejiana so ke nwaanyị chọọ mkparị nyere ya mana ya nakwa na-ekwuchi ya ishi m duo ishi ga ndeke gị ị gakwa adụkwa ishi chi ebe ahụ ị nọ n'ala bekee chi enwebe Nwanyi Oula Gaya Asiana. So this is what this family is facing now. So Anashinuke Nwanyi. Ina-akwado n'uchike nwaanyị tụọ isi shi enwebe nwoke ọbụla ya ahụjiana for the past 15 years di ya imere travel. Gandeki gịkwanụ ife ruchi the man right ha ahụ o mere is it justifiable that after the long distance travel he made, after the years ya bịaru ha ọ ga-emefu eshi nwaanyị ya ya dome ishi. So do you think that the man is doing the right thing? And do you think that the woman did a very good thing by not accepting to swear to that thing? Shia swear. So what do you think about this issue? You can, come out inside the matter. He can me go on okay. He may do, but they will get not carry. So you can check me out inside the matter. You can call me on my phone numbers. You know as it be. You can call me on WhatsApp. You can still call me on phone calls. But let me give you the number that can go. The number that will go through so that we will get to hear you through the loudspeaker. Yes, I'll give you. You know my WhatsApp line. Those who get me for WhatsApp, if you call me for WhatsApp, but if you won't call me direct for phone, let me drop the number on the screen.
You're a biggie star, money, brother. How I wonder what you are. Money, you too much, you. Money. You're a biggie star. Money, oh. How I wonder what you are. Papa, that was so high, like a diamond in the sky. Why are we getting, darling? Happy birthday, oh. Happy birthday to you, baby. Super.
You can reach me. Still on the matter where we carry for hand, the man will travel far abroad, go stay for 15 years, live in wife and in 2 children. The man can't come back after 15 years. You can't tell him wife, say, this woman, I'm not too sure, say you keep this thing well for me. My mind, they tell me, say, somebody don't enter this my palace where I reserve, go to Tore, some certain things, say, no be as I take leave and come out. Say you don't get some clandestine movement where you don't do. So you go swear for me, say, another man never enter this place. So the woman come tell and say, I no go swear anything. If you say make her swear, yourself, you go swear, say that place where you dey for abroad, you never go climb another woman for that place. So if you swear, I go swear. So na there way wahala dey for the family since December where the man come back. Now we come dey ask, say you think say na better thing wey the woman do by not swearing? You think say the woman don go chop work as im husband don travel? 15 years, no be 15 days now. You know, be 15 months. Maybe the woman somehow, you think say, now because say she don't go chop work, now it makes she no one swear. But the woman they talk say, na insult give am, say the husband no trust her. Say now why no one swear that swear. Say after 15 years, now to come back on the ask am this kind nonsense question. So you yourself, you think say the man dey right for that thing where you want to? Or you think say he no supposed to do am, even if anything like that happen, him for just take am like wetin happen during the war. So what's your take on this? You can call me on those numbers on the screen, or you can call me on your WhatsApp. If you are the one, Yaoge Wonyano in this woman's shoe, what will you do? What will you do? Do the issue or do the issue. So anyway, how will you can call me on that number on the screen, or you can still put a call on WhatsApp so that I will hear your opinion as I read the ones. I need a question. Manobulisi Ishi he should swear first Ndiara Chidi Okorie Eshe that man is very stupid. Ever P Everton Eshe, well, I always watch you, just that you don't invite me for your active followers. Ew, 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 ew. Sorry about that. You can like my page now. Like the page, then follow, and you get notification. So sorry about that. Nobulizi, no Kuyashi, I will not swear. Rather, I will leave the marriage. I will leave the marriage. If is leaving the marriage the best option, is leaving the marriage. So she said she will not swear that she will leave the marriage. All right, we'll have a call here. We'll have a caller on the line.
Hello?
A very good evening to you. Your name and where you are calling from. Good evening to you.
Osita Levi, talking now.
All right, Osita Levi from Turkey. Right on.
Yes, we're beginning. Based on I'm one of the people name advice. Based on for Nigeria, not like 4 years. By the first in came Lotara. So my girl Mapo La Moa swear because some of ego them name Furia. It was time name. So I'm ego them name Furia. Ma where I asked him okay. Yeah, me where Yam Tiame. The Tobia one I'm my own because someone when I take care of Yawai Watara. So when the man on take care of the woman bow on our side. The woman question me over I don't know be a dictator. Or that one can wine and can walk in there. Not get swear.
So now that girl is she, that any give one you have to make travel. A qual wish here before a guy named travel.
Because more I don't know that may travel. So he asked me yes, not I'm before the relationship at the time to the oh no not I'm yeah, I know where when travel. I'm not going to or any help. So all due to that thing, mere mobile up on my phone. Get under a year ago.
So Ecuador, you have that man mere.
Yeah. So, 100%. I want to take care of the woman. Unless money take care of the woman. But I want to take care of the woman. 100%.
Adema Imena Osita, thank you for your contributions. Osita Levi Shi Turkey. Well, God bless you immediately.
Oh, well. Thank you.
Yeah. I'm an obelisk, I will not swear. We rather leave the marriage. Marriage is for adults and not for kids. Yawikwashi or para abo maaka. Mamilera Fadele, the man is just looking for unnecessary trouble. But Namana she body no be firewood though. But is it right for a woman to stay 15 years without sex from a man, from the husband, or the rights? As in, can you as a person, can you endure such? Is there any condition that will, tempt you to having an extramarital affair when your husband isn't around? Then you can hang up on outside. Would you he is the one sponsoring the family. He's the one feeding for the giving the wife anything she wants. So now the wife who right she swear ma ebe ya nwa no nwoke ya nwoke ihajigala nwohe niile even from outside. So what do you think about that, Tiga? I don't know. I am ever Ehunanboshida Sylvia Igwendeo. Oh, sigh, she 15 years is not 15 days. Into the Kachibezi, she could even know where and the man should just let peace reign. Dominion Fevation, that man is very stupid. The OC or Sai, the guy is wrong. And that's a question. Joro. Stephen Michael, she could even know where Kinishi, Cyprus, Nicosia, and the Dominion. That man is very bad there. And my in there, thank God, this issue is very, very hard to judge. And my there, James Sinal, my night is better for your program. How do you see it? Night, no, made is unique because you get tired. After running round and round during the day. Anyway, can you get one on can you get n'ihu ọ dị ka anya nwere okwu oh shit. Hello. Hello. Biko kpọm na ji nọmba akpọ m na mainline m. Thank you. Oh, come up.
Baba,
Arema, in case you're just joining us, this is our program. Now, so we see on our blessing. I've rectified that. Elgadema all this stand your kara is not insult. Let her swear. It's very, very simple. Okay, Kwadoga, can the woman a dollar di she went home, no cause Yajana in the space of 15 years, the DMA travel abroad. Okay, God first, Daniel. Let's please, I really need this song. All right, and I didn't even know that my hobby is listening to the program. He's even annoyed with the man's request. He said, even 2 years is too much for someone to stay. Ew, Obarara, chai, Obarara. Away from the story where a man traveled and left the wife for 15 years. Now he came back this Christmas. Now she's the one ya bịa dụọla ishishi enwe nwoke ọzọ ya ahụ ji ya na enwe onye ọzọ ya ahụ riri ọrụ. So the woman ajụkwanụcha ya ha ga-edu shall a sign of insult, you know, a sort of insult. Nadia trust to Hoya, Shua Yoja Shia Bia Doma Ishi. She and they can outside about who do open okay, Hoshi, and when extramarital affair when she won already eba. So Anyana Zaju, what do you think of this? Hey, one okay, you after 15 years, but she want you to make sure right. Then one you refuse to punish her, hage do she moke do so or a right. What should be the major thing I question him Capisi Rainier and the family? Because this is causing a serious problem now, and somebody is seriously in need of your opinion so that Amarahage make Udodo Chia. What do we do? What do we do for peace? 15 years in waiting. Ew!
Sigo, chidere ode sigo chipu spax joke biadola. Spax biado belego onyoma. Gato moko marema gato slay biadola. Yeji manage yes.
Away from that, last weekend in Imo State, to be precise, let me say MCC Road, Owerri, MCC Road, Owerri. There was this man who took his family home for New Year. Last week, weekend day, Graga. The woman sent his wife and his kids to his village for New Year. Then went out for a party, for an event with his mistress, Madam ya, boss ya ojaru na ọrụ. Boss ya ojaru na ọrụ. So after the party, the event per se, they returned to his house and slept on his matrimonial bed. And we don't know if they made something out of their, sleeping. If ṅụrịrị ọrụ ma ọ nwere ihe ọrụ, ọnwa gbarichara mmanụ wee uru anwa agba, ọnwa gbara, nrọ nkịta na ibe ya. So we don't know. So Chiabozie in the morning, the man woke up and met the woman lifeless. The woman anwụọ n'ime the man on his matrimonial bed. While the family nọkwara na village, o sendere m to village for New Year. Chike ndị ala ahụ Christmas, the man send his nwo for New Year. Ya na kpọrọzie mistress ya nwaba azụghị ya, the woman anọ n'ime ya nwụọ. Problem. So as it stands now, the man nọ na aka ndị uwe ojii, the police emene arrest. Then the lady herself, mistress, the man, Oga madam the man, Oga madam the man. So the guy na ejirila aparakwana the remains of the woman, deposit here na morgue. Deposit here. So this issue now is so complex. This issue is so complex because and the man akọbekwana me nwere ihe ya the woman mere. But on your own, do you think that not a situation or a condition or a situation ga madam ge apụrụ je something, madam ge sonogi yogwa yo na your own house, nga your family ano hoya, na jako na your matrimonial bed. And when a situation, something like that can happen, mangashino ewe when jikoroha is just, an ordinary madam worker relationship. Or do you think that when is something, when is something very attached, when is something fishy igaga between this mistress and the onye arụgala ya ọrụ? Because check here this January ka the man eche family enwola new year oso kwa nwola aka nwomra la new year the next day ya mistress ya kpụrụ for an event emecha the event ya kpụrụzie mistress ya yogbu yo uyo ke ya uyo ya nwaanyị ya na ụmụ ya bi ya jia chi abụọ the woman ete amahụ mistress ya nọ n'imi ya nwụọ. So do you think that all just a normal relationship, or when I really when I more je call him, maybe he won't buy or something, yeah, imanya. So what do you think? Is it right that in that man April mistress ya padama imio ya or enweghị attached or just like that this woman abịabịa nwega ya aka oyichikwanchi nwere ihe gaga on maybe entanglement with gịnị elezigbo ahụ enwere such entanglement nke mere na MCC o were anyị nga na weekend gara aga ka o mere
onye eze ezi nwanna ga-acha nna na gbapụta ya beri anyị nne ndị anọgharịla gị mma nne chukwu eke nwanyị ọma mejeru ma meberima.
Madozie Anyanwụ, she that's how God wants to expose the evil man. Pinky darling, what's going on here? Now many things are going on, and so we take them. And not believe she let me catch somebody like that on my bed. Now thunder go fire him. With that is colleague your foot too. And so Agagi say legal program. Ga-ejizi style na-akpịla ọga gị ụka sheshi ga-ejide ya ejide. Hey, Hey, Omowaji, and
one good on deserves another.
Cow the colleague mistress, madam ya nọrọ ya kpọrọ madam ya kamanya kpọrọ madam ya yogbu ya madam anọrọ ụyọ small boy nwụọ. Jesus Christ, elebe isi akọ ihe ka akọ. I go take keep mouth to tell the story.
Onyeri amara dị mma Onyeri amara dị mma Onyeri amara dị mma enwe ọma ịwụrụ onye oseke mma ya esi dị ọgbọ ọma ekwuo agbawa agba why are we there?
Na so we take see am today, na so we take see am, na so we take see am. Trailer don kill 2 people, and these two people wey trailer kill na couple. This one happen today for Shagamu Ogijo Road, Ogun State. Na where this one take happen. As the thing take happen, they say these 2 people na couple. They enter bike, they go somewhere for this Shagamu Road. As they enter the bike, now the bike go overspeed. Him and na bike in the outside, na about speed. The more overtake truck na agbajikwa. Na shia mehe overtake Camry. Ono zingoshia me overtake Camry ịnọ ihu ya ejeje sọ isi na ahụ the Camry ipo akomara na sọ isi ahụ Camry ya daa na there the ọkada take fall. Then truck ushizi azụ abịaga eso aga Camry ahụ arịa nwa elu kugbuo di na nwanyị. Onye ọkada ọwụ ịgbaga speed eme escape, di na nwanyị anwụọ ya erejie. Ke mere taa iwu Tuesday n'okporo ụzọ Shagamu steeti Ogun. Ịhụnna
onye kere iri oke woman give me bottom belly all my heart.
di na nwanyị ọgbarara.
Super. Ọba jíjílé jẹ́ fọlẹ́ fọ máa ń kéjìlé jáde jẹ́ náà kílì jáde lọ fẹ́ máa kéde máa dé lọ nkọ́. Ọba super.
Enwere ozichi Abia steeti bịa ebe nwa okorobịa young man agbara ya ọkụ. A young man was set ablaze by his girlfriend. This one happened in Abia State. So this girl is set ablaze enyi ya nwoke. Akụkọ kọrọchi enweghị, they were having a kind of misunderstanding. So the guy slept off around 2 a.m. early morning or midnight. Him and 2 a.m. Oh, the girl eteda were fuel wuo the boy lega ya matches the boy etima akpọrọzie ya jema ndị neba agbafụta bịabịa kụnye ọdụ ọkụ ya wụọ shami na ya ọkụ bịabịa jee kpọrọzie ya jema oyi ọgwụ FMC ịnọ na oke keme na Benue steeti 18 years old girl dere enyi ya nwoke kpega ya ọkụ. So the 18 years old girl aha ya wụkwanụ Esther ọ dị 18 years old ọkwanụ onye Benue steeti ahụ. Onye ọkpọkwa n'ọkụ wụ Elvis Chidimma Ọma ịwụkwanụ onye Nsụka Enugu enyi ya nwaanyị akpọọ ya ọkụ mana akọọla anyị na-achịda boy anwụọna the boy ọnwụọna. Akụkọ ọkụkọ nnachi ihe mere this girl ji kpọọ ego enyi ya nwaanyị ọkụ. Ha rụrụcha ahụ lara village nwo iwe Enugu steeti ya ala chọjejeje ịkwụ ụgwọ isi nwaanyị ọzọ afụkwanụ ya wụ Esther. So Esther na bịa meet ya shi enyi ya Chidimma anụrụ m shi iji eje ịkwụ ụgwọ isi nwaanyị ọzọ na village nnu ọ wee eziokwu ka aha achị ya ole nwee ha ịkpa ahụ na onye gbụgaghị aha hụ ịkpụgashi. So eruziela midnight this girl she wasn't satisfied with the response enyi ya nwoke inyere ya, so she had to pour petrol on the guy. They are matches she hụba uji. But unfortunately the guy has lost his life, though after the incident occurred police made the girl arrest the 18 years old girl Esther, but now the guy anwụọna just because of this boy jejekwu ụgwọ jejekwu bride price jejekwu because the boy na village, so abịa gwa ya show jejekwu ụgwọ bride price nwaanyị ọzọ hafụkwanụ ya ebiọyọnna. Esther confront on ya after much Esther say okay let me burn you to ashes since you don't want to marry me. So him say ugbulaka na the boy alala. So my brother legwu ahụ eji agụ meta onye dị mma enyi asị gị meta onye dị mma enyi maka ọlụlụ chai ọ gbakwanara ọgbara this case na itairapa ịkpa my man ji just nwụọ just like that. Enyi gị nwaanyị inside your own house so nwaanyị agba gị ọkụ ọgbarara
onye jere tai. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Woman, give me bottom belly, go to my happy. Woman, give me bottom belly.
All right, I want to say a big thank you to everybody that joined me this evening in this program. Now, so we see this is the first time, so I'm just trying to see some certain things. I want to introduce some English programs and what's it called? Pidgin program or code mixed programs, mixed up. But that's so rani. Asụsụ were adọkrịla m ọnụ. Try akwa Chima avoid so where I keep on chipping it in, but that's not my intention, Sha. But I'm that when I start having other programs which is not really aware based in terms of the code I'm using. In terms of the code I'm using, I'll be okay. But for now, the word is Chigi Kesha. So we see So we see for this night. So a very big thank you. Agadema or the Stanley or Kara, Asia, and this Benue people, they are very wicked. Ew, Obarara, Obarara. So thank you for being there. Thank you for being there. See you tomorrow morning. I may just so that tomorrow morning I can, bring you up to speed with Akonde Mega here and there. Ebo Rejrebo Debrela na Ebe also Ebara. Till then, I still remind your brother, your friend, and your love, Prince Chima Uchehara, the counselor himself, the Bishop of the Information Ministries, OONCON, KSCJP Kumsans, SAPSANS, GCFR, GCON, any name abbreviates. LSC, MSc, BSc, GCE, WSC, WASCE, NYSC, Gehonga ndị politicians ndị ịgụrụ akwụkwọ kpọga dia imega articulate their nomenclature. My name is Right Honorable High Chief Dr. Nick J.O. Osonduagwike, MSc Business, BSc Banking, RSc ITC, TVC, AIT, OON, JP, KSJR, KSC, LLL, BSc, or Magnichi. Share my brother, EGH, come more because I'm sure I really good nuji. Eligwe kenu na-erichara ya a Nigeria anyị na so akakwanụ mmakpa ị na-agije igwe za okpukpe aha Chineke si enyi ya ichecha ma gị bi ebe ịma aka ya eluo gị akanta na akantị aha wee ime ọkụ mmụọ strength. So ọkpa Oshare, thank you so much and God bless all of you immediately. See ya. Bye.
Imani jeme shirike, imani japokwa na sekaraka, imani onye nko, ijabo sekaraka, imani bianu belego, onye ọma. You're a biggie star, imani brother, how I wonder what you are. Imani, you too much, you. Imani. You're a biggie star. Imani, how I wonder what you are. Ababa, that was so high, like a diamond in the sky. Shiba. Why are we getting darling? Happy birthday, oh, happy birthday to you, baby. Uba. And I'm a girl, so when we say let's have a pregnancy, so people see ya, mama. And I'm a girl, so when we say let's have